In this video, I will show you a bunny ears decrease or a 3 stitches into 2 stitches decrease. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notice each time I go live or post a new video. A bunny ears decrease takes 3 stitches and turns them into 2, and it looks a little bit like bunny ears, hence the name. So you can see 3 columns of stitches moving into 2 columns of stitches, and it looks a little bit like bunny ears. So let me show you how to work this. You will work up to the 3 stitches involved in the decrease. So we'll say right here. And then you knit 2 together as normal. Now what you do is you pick up with the right needle, you pick up left leg of that stitch right there that was on the left in the knit 2 together, and then you knit the next stitch, and then you lift that leg over and off the needle, like so. And that's all there is to it. So I'll show you that again. You knit 2 together as normal, and then with the right hand needle tip, pick up that left leg of the stitch to the left, that leftmost stitch. I'll show you that again. So this leg right here, you want to go in from the front to pick it up from the front, and then knit the next stitch, and then pass that loop over, like so. This is a neat decrease when used in lace in particular. So that's the bunny ears decrease, or 3 stitches into 2. Let me know what you think about this decrease in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.